Birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday, our Tito Eboy. Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday, Ebs. Love you, Tito Eboy. Liam.
Love you too.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Doday. Sana di ka magbabago ng ugali. Thank you sa pagsama sa amin sa church. At sana lagi kang nagabayan ni Lord. More birthdays to come. We love you.
Happy birthday, Eboy. We love you. Thank you sa pag-aalaga mo sa amin lahat. Kay Mama, kay Andrew, and kay Papa nung nabubuhay pa siya. Lagi kang nandyan para sa pamilya. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Eboy! We love you! Yon, all the best for you, Tong. And yon, basta lagi kami nandito para sa'yo. All the best for you and your future. We love you. Happy birthday! God bless!
Hello, Jeboy. Happy birthday.
Hi, Jebs. Happy birthday. Love you. God bless you. And I'm looking forward to your amazing future. You are so blessed. I love you with the love of the Lord. We love you with the love of the Lord.
And goodbye.
Bro, balita ako birthday mo daw. So, kung totoo man, happy birthday na din. Nabibigyan kita ng trivia. Alam mo bang pinakamabilis na araw sa buhay mo yung birthday mo?
Happy birthday kay Jeboy. Wish ko sana ngayong birthday mo is syempre more career, more success to your career, and syempre good health to you and to your family. So enjoy mo lang kung ano meron ka ngayon, and enjoy mo lang yung araw mo. It's your day. Okay, so have a great one. God bless and take care. Bye-bye. Extreme.
Happy birthday, Eboy! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Eboy!
Eboy!
J-Boy, sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Eboy ka na.
Happy birthday, Coach! God bless you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday!
Hi, Jeboy. Happy birthday. God bless you more and more pogi points. Okay? Don't forget the birthday cake. Sana mabusog mo ako.
Happy birthday, Jeboy!
3, 7, 9.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, boy.
Happy birthday, boy.
Love you. Love you. Kantahan mo na, kantahan mo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, boy.
Dumilat ka.
Happy birthday, boy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, boy. Hey.
Jones. Medyo corny to bro, pero birthday mo kasi sama lang sa akin si Ate Jan. So sa work ako ngayon at Remebetics. Joke lang. Happy birthday, bro. Wish you all the best. Good health, good luck. Ano ba? Love life. Swerte ka na din. Yan sa'yo na lahat. Yun lang. Sana achieve mo lahat ng mga goals mo sa buhay. And huwag makakalimutan pag diamond director ka na, Yun. Ano pa ba? Yun lang. Yun lang. Medyo shy type pero hindi tayo sanay sa camera, di ba? Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. God bless. And have a great one. We love you, bro.
Happy birthday, Ebon. We love you. I wish you all the best. Sana lagi mag-ingatan ng sarili mo para sa amin at para rin sa iyo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. We love you, Eboy.
For the right way to say I love you in the best kind of way, 'cause it's hard to express the way I feel. The lines rehearsed come stumbling again and again. It's like first time all over again. Here I stand, coming over my head. Sounds so vain, it's kinda crazy. In my words I'm trying to say I'm in love with you all over again. And it feels like watching how the sun shines, getting lost in your eyes. Oh, I am in paradise. Feels like breathing for the first time, holding you so close to mine. I never felt so alive, like I'm in love with you for the first time. It's like Valentine's every single day. When you smile, takes my breath away. I'm a little girl on a Christmas Eve. I can sleep, I can't wait till I finally have you in my arms. And it feels like watching how the sun shines, getting lost in your eyes. Oh, I am in paradise. Feels like breathing for the first time, holding you so close to mine. I never felt so alive, like I'm in love with you for the first time. I could hit 1,000 pictures, write 1,000,000 songs of how much I love you. Oh, I'm in love with you. And it feels like watching how the sun shines, getting lost in your eyes. Oh, I am in paradise.
Happy birthday, Zane. I love you so much. Thank you for everything. And sana hindi ka magsawa na supportahan ako sa mga gusto kong gawin. And alam ko darating yung time na makakabaon ka. Pakasal ka na, matanda ka na. Love you.
I come in love with you for the first time.